मायकल लोबो खंय वता काय तो आनी कोणाक वचून मेळटा हें म्हाका खबर ना, पूण हांव केन्नाच काँग्रेस सोडचो ना अशें हळडणचो आमदार कार्लोस फरेरान परत एकदा स्पश्ट केलां. काँग्रेसीचो सीएलपी लिडराक थारोवपाचो जरी टायम जालो असलो तरी लेगीत काँग्रेस एक मॅच्युअर्ड निर्णय घेतले अशें कार्लोसान सांगलें.
कितें म्हणटा एश कोन्न रुमर्स परत येता. हांव नेणा कितें एश कोन्न रुमर्स परत येता, कोणागे कितें आसा तें म्हजें सांगूंक जायना. बट फॉर माय सेल्फ आय कॅन स्पीक. हांव म्हजें सांगता की आय एम नॉट गोईंग एनीवेर. यू कॅन बी शुअर आय एम नॉट इन दॅट नंबर ऑफ गेम्स ऑफ एनी person going to Switzerland. You are talking of Michael Lobo and you are talking of Amit Patkar. Statements they make, only they can answer. I can't answer on their behalf. But I have full faith in my party leadership and I know that they will take a proper decision at the proper time. Remember, some things are not taken in a hurry. There are things which can backfire. Sometimes situation is created, pressure galpa, so that certain decision can be taken. But Congress is always wise. Congress has never moved in a hurry. Sometimes it is a plus point, sometimes it's a minus point. But I am not in a hurry anymore. I don't feel upset or offended, so it doesn't this thing. I repeat to you, Congress will take a mature decision.